Welcome to AstroVex, where we explore the mysteries of the universe, the unknown, and everything beyond our understanding. For decades, people around the world have reported strange lights in the sky, unidentified flying objects, and possible alien encounters. But the real question is, how many of these sightings are actually real, and how many are just hoaxes? Today, we dive deep into real versus fake UFO sightings, uncovering the truth behind some of the most mysterious events ever recorded. Stay till the end because what you're about to see might change how you look at the sky forever. One of the most
UFO
famous
stands for
incidents happened in
unidentified flying
1947
object in
but
Roswell,
that
New
doesn't
Mexico,
automatically mean
where an
aliens.
object
A
reportedly crashed,
UFO is simply
sparking
anything in the
rumors of
sky that
alien
cannot be
technology.
immediately
Then
identified.
there's the
It
Phoenix
could be a
Lights
drone,
incident
weather
in
balloon,
1997,
aircraft,
where
or
thousands
even
of people
natural
saw massive
phenomena.
lights
In
hovering
recent years,
silently
the
in the
term
sky. And more
UAP,
recently, US Marine
unidentified
pilots
aerial
captured
phenomena,
footage
has
of
become
objects
more
moving in
commonly
ways
used by
that defy
governments and
known physics.
scientists.
These
This shift
cases
shows
remain
that even
unexplained
experts are
even
taking these
today.
sightings more
Not
seriously
every
than ever
sighting is
before.
real.
In
Let's
fact,
take a look at a
many
few
UFO
cases that
videos
shocked
turn out
the
to be
world.
hoaxes. Some are
In
created
today's
using
world of
CGI,
advanced editing tools, it's
computer-generated
easier than ever
imagery,
to fake a UFO
making
sighting.
objects appear
So how
realistic in the
can you tell
sky.
the difference?
Others use
Fake
drones with
UFO
LED
videos
lights
often
to
show
mimic flying
inconsistent lighting.
props.
The object doesn't
Simple
match the
tricks like
environment,
camera angles,
movement
lens
is
flares,
another clue.
or even
Real
reflections on
alien
glass can
aerial
make
objects follow
ordinary
physics,
objects look
while fake
mysterious.
ones may move unnaturally or
There's
glitch.
also the
Low
possibility that we
quality
simply
footage
don't
can
have
also
enough
be
data to
suspicious,
understand them yet,
sometimes used to
while
hide
the idea
editing
of
flaws.
extraterrestrial life
And if
is
the source is
fascinating.
incredible,
There's
it's
currently
always
no
good to
confirmed
question
evidence
what you're
that
seeing.
UFOs are
Not
alien
all
spacecraft,
sightings are fake.
but the
Some
mystery
remain
remains
unexplained.
open.
Scientists
Humans are
suggest
naturally
these could be
curious.
advanced
We
military
want to believe
technology,
there's something beyond our
atmospheric
planet,
phenomena,
something
or
bigger
unknown
than us.
natural events.
Movies, media, and stories have shaped our imagination about aliens and UFOs. Sometimes what we see is influenced by what we expect to see, and that's what makes UFO sightings so intriguing. They sit right between science and belief. So, are UFOs real? The truth is, sometimes sightings are unexplainable, some are fake, and a few remain a complete mystery. What do you think? Are we alone in the universe? Or is something watching us from above? If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join AstroVex for more mind blowing mysteries. Until next time, keep looking up.